Dear students, welcome to Study Bus, your online study channel. Today we are going to study life skills for primary class 2. Let's have the overview. Chapter number is 2. Chapter name is Growing Up. Concept: learn to say no, safe and unsafe touch. Book name is My Second Safety Workbook. Let's start the story. The title is A Letter from Grandma. One day when I was playing with Arpit, he got a letter from his grandma. Arpit was excited. Nobody had ever written him a letter before. Grandma was a special kind of teacher in a school. She was special as any child could go to her and share their feelings. Such teachers are called counselors. Arpit's school also had one such teacher. Let's read the letter. Dear Arpit, I hope you and your best friends Pokso and Sana are doing fine. I liked the drawings that you showed me last time. Today something important happened in my school. I want to tell you about it. A girl in class 2 came to me and said, Ma'am, today I made the best drawing in my class. My drawing sir liked it very much. He wanted to hug me, but I did not want him to hug me. Please tell him not to hug me. Later in the day, I told the drawing sir not to hug her. He said, okay. If someone does something that makes you feel uncomfortable or unpleasant or sad or angry, you should always say no. If you do not want to hug or kiss someone, nobody should force you. It is important for you to know this. So, if Papa asks you to hug or kiss your uncle and you do not want to, you must say no. And you must tell your mummy, papa and grandparents about it. I want you to read this letter many times and tell your friends about it. Remember to always be safe and say no. If someone tries to touch you in an unsafe way, also keep telling your trusted grown-ups whom you love about what happened until they believe you. Lots of love, Grandma. Remember, if someone does something to you which makes you uncomfortable or unpleasant or sad or angry, you should always say no. If you do not want to hug or kiss someone, nobody can force you to do so. Say no to that person loud. If someone tries to touch you in unsafe way, say no to that person. If someone forces you, tell your parents or elders whom you trust and love. They will help you out. If your elder ignores your words, keep telling them until they believe you. Hope you will keep yourself safe.